Welcome to the review of this software, Zoop. I am Taiwo Kehinde. This is this review of this software, this awesome software, this all-in-one software, Zoop Z00P. This is a software that has been created to create and sell much needed service like social media posting, messenger bots, email broadcast, automatic script, and etc. for a low one-time fee of $27. So this is software that you can use for all your social media handles. You can look at it. Look at it. Let's hear what the owner has to say. You hear him now. You hear him speak. Let's hear what he has to say. Look at it. Look at it. This is how this software will bring a fortune to you. It is instantly set up. Messenger bot, marketing pages, email broadcast, Facebook marketing, automatic script, and change. Yes, that's it. This is an awesome software that you need to get. You need to get. Yes. What are the features of this software? We have email broadcaster with Zoop. Not only can you create email broadcast that inbox like crazy for yourself, you can sell this as a service of your own too. That is, you can help people to write, to create, and to sell for them. Also, automatic scriptwriter. Zoop complete with types of ready-to-use script that will instantly deliver smart or profitable script to use in your own marketing and local businesses. You can help people. You can be of help to people. You can write scripts for them. You can help them to send it and to sell it. You have messenger bot. That is, nearly everyone with a mobile phone has WhatsApp. Now you can reach this gold mine to market, build trust, or even to just outright sell. The choice is yours now. As I told you, the price for this software is just a token, $27. And I want you will see a link below this video. You click the link, then that link will take you directly to where you will buy it. What about Facebook poster? With Zoop, not only can you create email broadcast that inbox like crazy for yourself, you can sell this as a service even to other people. That's 100% cloud based. I told you that is a beginner friendly. It has bonus commercial right. Not only this, let's see other benefit. Yes, and as I've told you, you need to get your very limited special offer because you have limited offer now. You know, discount right now. You just discount if you buy it on time. No monthly fee if you act now. If you act now, only if you act now. You can see the timer. The timer is going seriously. You need to get it now. And you can buy with paper. You can buy with your ATM card. You can buy, and it has guarantee. You can see 30 days money back guarantee is there. Once you buy it, you give it a try. You will see that you will thank me later. Not only this, look at it. People are loving this brand. New too, using it in their business. And let's see what this woman has to say. Jamin Belton. Look at what she said. She said Zoop is a great marketing tool which allow you to engage with customers in a more professional manner. What makes Zoop different is that you can actually have your very own call center type structure. Set up is a breeze, and I love that I can create a custom professional number. All you have to do is to set up a number and embedded the code into your website or e-com business, and you are done. What does that mean? Is that even the e-commerce people that order food goods from somewhere, from anywhere, from China, from other countries, from Turkey, you can use it. Internet marketer, you have your company, you have your own school, you have your own business, church organization, with anyone that deal with social media handle. This product, this software is for all, and it's for you, and it's for me. So what about another person? Let's see what this person has to say. Let's see what of Rob Newman. He says Zoop is an amazing piece of new software, bringing never before seen state-of-the-art technology to the internet marketing and internet business space. So I think you will find Zoop to be a state-of-art product that is one of a kind and under promise and over deliver. That's what he said. This is a powerful lead capture being used by big companies to engage their leads and also to learn more about them. This is a product. This is a product. What about Mr. Eric Smith? He says Zoop is an awesome engagement software and the best all-in-one marketing platform I have seen so far. I use this software and find this very much helpful for any business and website for there. Some useful points I observed are as follows. What did he observe? Look at it. He said the biggest problem with marketing online today is that what are the problem in online marketing today? That there is literally no central platform on the planet that allow you to, number one, to quickly start a marketing campaign that you can use for your business. But this product solve that problem. It solve that problem once and for all. So, as well as engage with your prospect in new futuristic way with never before seen video story tech. So this product has solved all those problems. So now, not only can you increase your own return on investment by 700%, you can easily do it for others. As I said, not only you need to benefit, you can do it for others. You can finally profit in any niche for any type of business by simply, number one, logging into your Zoop dashboard and set up Zoop campaign for yourself or your client. Can you see? You just log into your Zoop dashboard and set your Zoop campaign for yourself or your client. That is step number one. What is step number two? You start building powerful profit campaign that will allow you to make sales and share and charge clients on time, one time or recurring fee. You know the meaning of recurring fee? The one you'll be getting every time. And in as much as your client is still using that software, you'll be getting money. Start building powerful profit campaign that allow you to make sales and charge clients. That's number two. What about number three? That is step three. You are engaging these leads by using Zoop to create script, marketing pages, email brokers, messenger, bot, and Facebook marketing campaign for easy commission. These are the benefits that you are going to gain. Just imagine how much success you could potentially have selling this revolutionary technology as all-in-one service. It's going to bring a lot of fortune to you. I'm talking about the type of business that creates a life of freedom. A life of freedom. So this product, I hereby recommend it for you that you need this product as an internet marketer, as a YouTuber, as an e-commerce person. You have your own organization, you have your own company, you are a private person. Anything you are doing that brings in money, that you are using social handle, you need this software. It's very important. It's very important. Look at it. So introducing Zoop. Now, yes, let's see. Yes, that is a software that is going to perform excellently for you. So that is software. Zoop is the easiest and fastest way to launch and scale a profitable agency business in just 3 steps. I've told you. So now that not to take your time. Let's hear now. Let's hear what this person has to say. Let's see. Yes. Let's see this person.
Hello everyone, this is Zoop.
Can you see? Yes. Let's hear what this person has to say about Zoop.
Here, just wanted to go over the new web application which is called Zoop.
Yes.
And what Zoop does, it allows you to do.
So let me stop this one for a while. When you get it, you will have access to all the features. As I said, it has automatic scriptwriter, Zoop complete with tabs of ready to use script that will instantly deliver smart, all-in-one profitable script to use in your own marketing and local business at inbox like crazy for yourself. So I've told you all those ones. So click the link below. If deliberately, if sincerely you want to build a successful online business, just use Zoop for yourself and sell to clients. There is no limit. So I recommend this software, and as I've told you, click the link below. You will get access to this product. and it has time limit. You can still get discount now. Click the link and buy it. Only you can see for $27. Buy now. You can use paper, you can use your Visa card, you can use your MasterCard. It has 30 days guarantee, as I told you. It's very, very important. And it has commercial rights included. Sell Zoop and keep 100% of the profit. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Click the link and get access to this product. We have added some exclusive bonuses to make this a no-brainer decision for you. With all the amazing features that Zoop comes with, I've also included all these exclusive bonuses alongside our purchases today. That's what the producer, the maker of this product said. So thank you very much. I meet you there. Click the link and grab your own copy. Because the discount is still there now before the prices goes up. Just $27. Thank you very much.